Hello and welcome back to the English Lab. In part 1, we explored some surprising vocabulary differences between British and American English, and today we're back with even more. Let's begin. 1. Post versus mail. These refer to letters, packages, and other items you send or receive through a delivery service. UK example. I received your letter in the post. US example, I got your letter in the mail. In the UK, both the noun and verb form are post. For example, send a letter by post. In the US, the noun is mail and the verb is to mail something. Number 2, trousers versus pants. These both mean clothing worn on the legs, covering from the waist to the ankles. UK example, he wore black trousers to the meeting. US example, he wore black pants to the meeting. In the UK, pants means underwear and trousers means the outer clothing. In the US, pants means trousers. This difference can cause funny misunderstandings, so you better get it right. Number 3, jumper versus sweater. These are both knitted clothing items worn on the upper body to keep warm. UK example, don't forget your jumper, it's cold outside. US example, don't forget your sweater, it's chilly out. British English uses the word jumper, while American English uses sweater. In both places, it's worn during cooler weather. Number 4, boot versus trunk. This is the storage compartment at the back of a car. UK example, put the groceries in the boot. US example, put the groceries in the trunk. Boot is the British term, while Americans call it the trunk. Both refer to the same part of a vehicle used for carrying luggage or items. Finally, number 5, nappy versus diaper. These are absorbent garments worn by babies. UK example, the baby needs a fresh nappy. US example, the baby needs a fresh diaper. British people use the word nappy, while Americans use the word diaper. Both words refer to the same thing and are often used in childcare and parenting contexts. Now that you know even more everyday word differences, you'll sound more natural no matter where you're speaking English. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 3. See you in the next one.